The potential of artificial intelligence to create art is really exciting. We need to find our way in the new realities and get the advantage over others. Today I'm going to show how to win this race using 3 powerful AI tools. Let's get started. Number 1. Tome. If you want to present your work to a client, a presentation comes in handy. Today you can create one in 2 minutes with the help of Tome. It is free and allows you to generate a valuable presentation with photos and text just by specifying a topic. Then all you have to do is make corrections and add your own photos if you like. This is a real revolution. Later you can customize anything you want. Link, of course, in the description. The descriptions really make sense. And the images are also generated with artificial intelligence. Please like and subscribe if you don't mind. Pretty amazing. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Here you can personalize this piece however you want. Number 2. Playground AI. AI's generation of art is impressive and disturbing at the same time, but it can be used to get the advantage over others. It can give us an idea or a base for our further work. Creation is free, but there are limits. You have to pay for higher resolution. The more information we give, the more surprising the results. This may not be the best example, but look what happens when we give more details. The possibilities are endless. It's only up to us to use it to our benefits. After generation, we can adjust the accuracy and add more information. Check it out for yourself. Number 3. Image enlarger. Completely free. With this tool you can enlarge the resolution by up to 4 times. Just insert your photo and choose the increase options. Often with my projects I am forced to use images from the internet with low quality, and with this tool I solved this problem. For comparison, I uploaded 2 photos to Photoshop. Check out these details. You can combine Playground AI with this tool, getting higher quality absolutely free. This is truly amazing. The opportunities are in front of us and we need to start seeing them. You can find all the tools in the description. It would be nice if you would leave a like and subscribe for more. I have some amazing things to show you that you will definitely find useful. Really thanks for watching to the end. Write "and" in the comments and I'll pin heart on it.